In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps. First of all, you need to open Settings to scroll and access Apps section. Then hit Choose the food apps at the top and click on one of those categories. I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app, tap on Samsung browser to apply it, and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!